One day Gopal was very upset. He was crying, sitting on a chair, and he was completely drunk. I asked him, "What happened?" He said, "Could you see a wall? The wall that is in front of me." I said, "Yes, I can see that." "What happened?" He said, "I'm trying for the last 1 hour and I'm not able to touch that wall." I look at the wall and I said, "It's a simple phenomena. I think you can do it. How about you do it in front of me?" He said, "Yes, sure." So he started. He took a step forward and then 2 steps backward. Drunkard. Yeah. So could you see this way? Not about just in 1 hour or some hours. Even for his entire lifetime, if he tries this way, 1 step forward and 2 steps backward, will he ever reach even a wall which is just 10 feet away? This is the case with the people in the world. It's like this. You take a catch. In a cricket match, you take a catch. And after that, you miss 23 catches. And you say, "Why did I lose the match?" This is very funny, isn't it? So this entire day has 24 hours. It is absolutely true that you've done meditation for 1 hour. But what nonsense are you doing for 23 hours? You must take your senses on that also. This life doesn't work this way. That for 1 hour you're very nice, you're doing some puja or meditation and expect this entire cosmos you will be able to download within you. That your life mesmerize and magically transform into something magnificent. Life doesn't function that way. So, when you are taking 1 step forward, it is very good. But see, the life operates on the basis of a resultant. So, you're also taking 2 steps backward. So forget about moving forward. This way you're going backward. It is as if you have applied the back gear and you are accelerating your car. Forget about achieving things and moving higher into higher dimensions. You'll go backward. And this is happening with millions of people. And they are crying and they have grudges that my neighbor gets this much but I never get it. My destiny is not in favor of me. My fate has some issues. My planets are not moving. Life will not reward you and award you with this kind of a thought process. And here I'm not talking about being optimistic or pessimist. I'm talking about being realistic. It is a much more higher dimension to live your life in. So, in life you are rewarded for the resultant. It is the entire performance of the day. On the basis of that, you get what you do. You reap what you sow, isn't it? And in fact, if you carefully observe your life, if you put your hand in the fire, it's not God will look at this and somebody is making notes up there and after 10 days will give you punishment. In this life, the moment you do something, there is a reaction. There are laws in this universe. If you put your hand in the fire, you're burnt right now. It is not in the next life something will happen. Past life, that life, this life. It happens then and there. Even when you get angry. Now science is proving this. Just in that very moment, you're poisoning your system. Isn't it? And life doesn't work this way that once in a while if you breathe, you will be alive. No, you'll be dead. It's not once in a while you just water the seed you have planted and you expect it to be a massive tree. For anything to happen in a magical way in your life, you need to be consistent. There's certain things, they must be continuous. They may not be part of just your to-do list. They must be a way of living. And meditation is one of them. It is not some to-do business. It is not a task that you accomplish every day. It is a way of living. And all those spiritual masters, genuine gurus, even those who are saying at least meditate for 1 hour, by this They're trying to plant a seed within you. And once you taste how it feels, certainly you'll crave for more. You will seek for more and more. And this way they want to establish a way of living within you. So even they're saying that do for 1 hour is just a way of telling you, take a first step. Second will appear. Third will appear. So if you are someone who is not achieving or getting what you want, or whatever is your expectation, whether it is to get God or some car or some house, and you think by meditation it should come to you, just pay attention to this fact. Are you the one who is just being very nice for 1 hour, be very happy, very good with the parents and the family and the people around, and next 23 hours you're a pain for the people around you? So this distinction you must make. And you must know, it is on the basis of entire performance you get the results. It's not what you do once in a while will fetch you big rewards and awards in the life. So from today, start taking steps and ensure that you're taking in a forward direction. And if you have to be still, being still is better than to move backward, isn't it? So let's say if you just do 1 hour of meditation or doing something very good with your system, body, mind and emotions, just ensure you are not doing any nonsense for the 23 hours. Even if you do no sense is okay, because still the resultant is sensible. But if you're doing lots of sense for 1 hour and for the next 23 hours you're doing nonsense, comparison, hatred, anger, positive, negative game, the resultant is nonsense, and that is what you're going to receive in your life. Anything that you want to flower in your life, every day, in every way, you need to nourish it.